Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will understand the prerequisites needed to configure JUnit into your project. So let's get started. JUnit is developed by using the Java language. We already know JUnit stands for Java Unit. So Java installation is must to use JUnit into your development environment. In today's world, in most of the development system or in a most of the computer system, Java is by default installed. The minimum Java version required for the JUnit is version 1.5. Now the question is, how do we check Java is installed or not, and how to check the Java version that is installed on your system? For that, we need to use Java space hyphen version command. Okay, that is Java hyphen version command. This command is same for all the operating systems. So if you are developing on Windows, Mac or Linux, this command is same for all those operating systems. So let me show you how we can do this practically. Go to your terminal and type Java space hyphen version command. If this command is successful, that means Java is installed on your system and you will be able to see the version of Java installed on your system. In my case, it is Java 1.8. If this command fails, or if it returns the JDK version which is less than 1.5, that means you have to download the new version. To download the new version, go to the Oracle website and download the JDK, that is Java Development Kit, and also download the JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. For your reference, I will provide the download links into the tutorial description. Once you complete this installation, that is once you install JDK and JRE, we are good to go for the configuring the JUnit into the project. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you guys have learned something new, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.